Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive.
I went from Ellie Hansons to mini mansions. The girls in Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing jars from brain through my circumstances. But you know.
Okay, now here's the hair we are going to be using for today's installation or today's tutorial. It's from XRS Beauty hair. It actually came in this orange fine pack, or the packaging is really fine. I love the packaging. Inside the box is this set of lashes, and the lashes are human hair lashes, about 3 different pairs of lashes, which is so thoughtful of this company. I really love the lashes. Next is the stockings cap, and then this comb, and then next is this edge brush. I have always wanted this brush. I've always wanted to even like order from AliExpress. So yeah, I really appreciate the fact that they sent me this brush as well. So they also sent like 2 hair clips, an extra wig hook or extra band for the wig, which I'm not going to be using for today's tutorial. Another amazing stuff that came with this wig is this bending rollers. Just want to show you guys the difference between the regular lace and also the new clear lace. We used the new clear lace used in making this wig. You see how the regular lace is not matching or blending well with my skin, or this type of lace will be very difficult to install as a frontal. And why the clear lace which was used in making this wig or the frontal is perfect. This wig lace is it will be very easy, or the lace itself will be very easy to install. See how it blends so well with my skin, and just installing it with got2b glue will also make it or melt the lace down to the scalp. Moving on, this is the wig itself. It's 16 inches straight hair, 200% density. It's really affordable, like I said before, and you get about 20% off if you use the coupon code ONYINYE20. Texture of the hair is lovely. See how the hairlines are perfectly plugged. This company took their time to prepare this wig first, so they did the bleaching itself and then the plugging of the hair. They constructed the hair very well. The structure of the wig is perfect. You really do not have to do anything. If you're a beginner, you don't need to do anything when you get the wig, and you can also lay the hair with got2b glue. All the details of the hair will be in the description box below, just in case you are interested in buying this wig or interested in buying any hair from the company, because I'm loving this hair. So I'm going to be installing this hair, and then I'll style the wig into 2 different hairstyles. So just continue to watch. I would advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end, so that you don't get to skip or miss any of the step or any of the hairstyle. Now wearing the stockings cap that came with the hair, and I'm just going to go ahead to melt it down first, and I'm melting it down with got2b freeze spray. And then to properly melt the stockings cap, I'm just spreading the product, that's the freeze spray, around, just so that it can penetrate through the hairline. So this method is called the stockings cap method. So I'm doing the stockings cap method first before I go ahead to install the wig, just to protect her hairlines from getting damaged by the glue I'm going to be using, because I'm going to be using glue. The reason why I'm going to be using glue is because I do want her to wear the hair for a longer period of time. I know most of you will be like, oh, you're wondering why I'm using this particular or this colored or this light stockings cap that doesn't match with her skin tone. The reason is just because I'm still going to melt down the stockings cap. Just keep watching so that you see how I'm going to go about or maneuver my way through melting both the lace and also the stockings cap. Okay, after using the got2b freeze spray, I'm still using another glue on her head just to go ahead to melt down the front line of the stockings cap. After applying the glue on the stockings cap, I'm using foundation right now on the front part of her hair, just so that the stockings cap can actually blend well with her skin color. Okay, now moving on, I'm placing the wig on her head like so. See how it's easy for me to just place the wig and see how it fits her skin. Like everything is just blending just because of the lace they actually use in making this wig. You see how flawless it's already looking, even without me placing the or applying the glue. So right now I'm just using a light powder on the front part of the hair. Just this is so that I can easily identify where to apply the glue. Note that if you are not good, like you are not good in installing hairs or frontals, do not use this particular method. Just go ahead to just apply the glue where you want it to be, where you feel it should be. You can even apply it a little bit backwards and then place the wig, and then with time you just still apply more glue just to cover up or completely melt down the front part of the wig. The reason why I'm giving this advice is because it can actually get messy. Next is the application of the glue, and see the way I'm applying it where I want the lace frontal to be. So using my hand dryer to make it sticky before I lay down the lace. But before I lay down the lace, I'm cleaning off the powder or the light shade powder I applied initially. Once I'm done with that, I'm just now placing the wig where I want, or where I applied the glue initially, and then ask my model to just help me hold it down around the ends, just so that I can be able to trim off the excess lace. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in into today's video. Hope everyone is doing great today. Just want to use this opportunity or this medium to say thank you for the love on the previous video. Thank you for also subscribing. Thank you so much. It gives us joy that we are impacting knowledge here, and you all are loving the content we're uploading here on this channel. Thank you so much. If you have any suggestions or any ideas, you can leave them in the comment section and be sure to see a video on that. But if you are new here, you've not subscribed, you have not joined the family, just go ahead to click on the subscribe button to join the family so that you don't get to miss it anytime we upload a new video here on this channel. And it also encourages us to keep uploading more videos and also impacting more knowledge. I'm now using a cotton board and alcohol to just clean up the excess glue on her forehead. Now I'm just showing you guys a closer look of the lace on her hair. Just see how it melts so perfect. Like you can't even tell in a way that it's a lace. I'm applying styling mousse to just slick down the remaining part of her hair like so. Oh my god guys, this wig actually melts so well, and this is because of the company. They took their time to structure the hair. Next is just to go ahead to tie the front with this material, just so that the glue or the lace can further melt down. Okay, this is the first look. The only thing I did out or off camera was to straighten the hair a little bit, and this is the first look. Moving on to the next look. For the second look, I separated the hair into two different portions of camera first. Now I'm going in with the hair padding, just rolling the first or the back portion of the hair around the hair padding, and then we just go ahead to use bobby pins to just pin it down.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you.
For the front portion or the top portion, I'm just going to use my coiling iron to just go ahead to coil and still pin it down. You guys, this particular section is actually self-explanatory, so I'm going to allow you to watch the video carefully so that you get to understand and also see what I'm doing.
not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. So we can fly again.
Okay, thank you so much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. This is the final look. Hope you're able to learn one or two things from this video. Please share the video to friends and family, and also leave a comment on what you think about this look or what you think about the two looks. I also want to know what you guys would do differently. Let's get chatting in the comment section below. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't get to miss it anytime I upload a new video. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Tonight, what a time to be alive.